Okay, everyone, welcome back to the second lecture on universe. Universe om everything đi rồi. Cũng thế nào. Nếu discuss bằng cái gì nói bằng cái gì thế. So it's good that we narrow down our discussion also. Nè, the question discuss rồi đấy mà around 20 có mấy nè. Discuss rồi đấy. Okay, just to get the overview of what we have learned. Hey, atom có mấy tung size nè đây. It's like single atom. Imagine unimaginably small ni. Volume ni mac very small ni. It is very dense ni. Density is infinitely dense ni. And volume temperature is extremely hot ni. Very much extreme. Okay, so the burst happened. That's called Big Bang. All right. Big Bang happens and these particles can scatter. That's the beginning of time and space. Now, hay cũng mình gan coi galaxies bằng nó cái này tuổi. Cũng mà galaxies cái này cả coi distance the doi khi pare tuổi hay according to Big Bang. That's the expansion of universe theory. Okay, and I commented to who particles run the sum nebular hypothesis or some how to we will. Okay, don't mix up with this concept. Big Bang theory ho concept khade ke nebular hypothesis or some kyo particles come na hai to space ka he kom mi hai it's like cloud of dust nebula to hai pang particle re kachung concentrate of a star ngon to and sek lawn du mi pang hai the accretion happens accretion the theory mo de which suggests that the planets grew ni by condensation condense right hai tum particle pang cosmic dust particles pang ni gong grew bante that's how they formed these planets. So nebula means cloud of dust there. The star forms. So the stars are localized lumps of gas within a nebula. A star. Nebula to example the solar system forms. So solar system sun I take orbit the sun my very efficient mother just served us nuts to me. Sorry. Hey, Kanaika, Mars, Jupiter, Kanaika, asteroid, some of the cosmic particle runner, accretion process or binds gravity and holes and some of the Hey, I'll give some more information here. Asteroid pang ni kazan kay ano de Psyche to me and Psyche I saw again news ni ni and also to be ni series to me it's the largest asteroid ni doily ang may asteroid he hiniu pang Jovian planet ni kaya herona terrestrial planet. Okay, if I have to talk about this thing, it's never ending. I have mentioned before also. Anyways, this is expanding. Hay galaxy long stars stars constellation constellation long constellation the star solar system and that's all. That's what we have learned roughly. Nebular hypothesis and then Big Bang theory so discussion. Okay, let's proceed further. Solar system discussion and discussion. It is the fourth largest planet in the solar system to Earth. Earth fifth largest it's not fourth largest, fifth largest. Of course, I padai ho doi liang kan 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, Mars and so on Earth doi da din si. So don't get confused ni. Mars and Earth ko. Ai kêu padai de 4 plus 1. What did we left out? Okay, fourth largest and then fifth largest. No, okay, Earth. Fifth largest, there comes to 1 gone. Its rotational period is roughly equal to that of Mars. Oh no, not at all. Rotational period of 1 day in a day. Okay, hey, Venus 243 days right now. You don't have to remember this figure ni. It's not necessary. Like its surface gravity is only 38% of gravity on Mars. Only time eliminate its surface gravity is only 38% the gravity on Mars. Mars gravity don't happen there. I don't think this is also correct. Surface gravity are dense so hang within the gravity guy. In fact, it should be other way around maybe. Mars and a rail the nim rail the nim thao de pla. Hay the other way around hay art lao do hay Mars to. Kum to Mars surface gravity ni. Huy nó sinh thoại kan hay điều tèo Mars song song art rồi đó to. Kum to ho art tung gravity is greater than Mars tung gravity. Okay. Shooting star, important discussion again. Shooting stars on kiểu, and grant your wish or something like that. Wish so on got many shooting star. My name is Tawang Tang Tui, make a wish so on. So it's like birthday tong candle come there, flying in the sky, flying in the space rather. My very efficient mother just served us nuts to the hey can I Jupiter Mars le Jupiter can I asteroid bell no to it. Hey asteroid pang sam tawang guy na. So hey tung cosmic particle hey asteroid ra which some kind ka Earth atmosphere no ni so cloud of gases na guy atmosphere ka. Hey long ka some go the burn should happen ni. So nang spacesuit no head to hira sam kai you will be alive. But I don't think you'll land safely on Earth because of the friction opposed by the Earth's atmosphere. So that those kind of burning thing is called the meteor. Hay tong particles asteroid belt nói mấy toán asteroid tong particles ni asteroid ni te kai mà gan khoi chuông theo này hay ta shooting star chăn nào the shooting star hay and hay kandi khata kai tang này tu tho meteorite tu dap này hay thôi là meteorite tại hay India họ kai lắm bầm ni nói lunar lake tu này có khẩn đang ăn dat lâu ấy cũng lo na hay moon khani cũng tong surface na ai hay ni meteor strike sut na de and meteor strike ra dinosaur ni extinct so na so dinosaur ni and what else meteorite tum ho kan di ka kai tang kan hai pla reo mut lam ki kan di ka kai tang kan ha meteor ti ha meteorite to hai meteoroid na those thing space nói bom son ha meteoroid to hai kum na phenomenon to a meteor that shooting star ni. Okay, let's go further. Venus rotational period is roughly equal to that of T. This is wrong. Current 1 day, current 243 days there. Answer derives of that. Period of revolution of planet is directly proportional to its distance from the sun. Okay, this is important in a way. Hey, science student pang they will appreciate it. Hey, Johannes Kepler and so me hey, katuang time period tung square lena, distance tung cube lena, proportional to it. You don't have to learn this one. If you are a science student, I would love to explain it, but for a general audience, I would rather say in this manner. Time period to be depends to the distance from the sun. And this one way. Night ta pin mangai ning so. Hey night he. Pan gì? My very efficient ko wen hi pan này thum consider so kon tawa. Hay dong time period right distance ra gai lao time period này gai lao vậy rồi proportional to meaning. If this is more, this is also more. Come to the, as we know, period of revolution. Hay revolves tadi mini time period today. Come to here. Earth tung ragai binte period directly proportional to Johannes Kepler tung ni. Okay, in simple words, time period gai bine distance or do from the sun. Okay, this is correct. Number 3, Venus is the only planet in the solar system whose period rotation is more than the period of revolution. This is a fact. The period rotation is the period revolution or less than 243 days rotation period the rotation period 243 hai the revolution ho hai suppose 200 company. Those are unnecessary details. So, which of the following planet has the strongest wind speed? Any factual data? I think we don't have to learn like this. This one, you know. Okay, the strongest wind speed. Windy so hak dim zo hai Neptune to Neptune ka pon tung speed ra 2100 kilometer per hour. Hai kum na Saturn korana 100 kilometer per hour. Kum to ayo luai bni so punjik rona hong man zo de kya kum tha Neptune ko. That's a fact. Okay, something about the moon and planet. Oh yeah, I have one thing to correct. I have Phobos to nitong there or Phoebe to it. Larry he lam Thai line or both but it turns out to be wrong. Phobos to Phoebe is the name of a person. They are friends from series katani. To know present the Phoebe or what Fleabag to TV series ka name present Phoebe American or I think it's English actress Phoebe. Phobos, don't forget again, this should be of Mars. Deimos to Mars to me. So Mercury ho mega, Venus ni katong satellite mega, come to 3 noi me pang. 3 wrong hai, 3 wrong hai. The 4 on zoom there. So obviously this should be correct. Jupiter tong satellite right? Ganymede, Saturn tong Titan. Hai thoi hoy, Saturn, Titan come thoi ho. And Jupiter can 60 more than 60 moons artificial satellite. So you don't have to learn everything. So Mars and some facts that Venus and Mars they don't have natural satellite. Earth the only satellite is moon. Okay. An astronomical unit is the average distance between Earth and Sun. Anyway. Tèo hay kilometer hay dù hay cũng hay tụi mình nè tèo land surface có convenience tụi nó đấy tèo astronomical body cái nhiều tụi distance đó nhiều khu đó mấy tụi astray mấy dù đi cũng tụi nó average distance between sun and earth the earth and sun thì one astronomical unit tụi hay earth hay sun hay này tụi average distance one astronomical unit nó sao tụi hay say. Suppose you have a heavenly body here. Okay, so I mean this is a heavenly body. How far is this guy from this sun? The astronomical unit term had measures of it. Let's say this is the distance. 1, 2, 3, 4 astronomical unit ka bham hai na sob ne. Kilometer so the average distance between Earth and Sun is called astronomical unit. 1 astronomical unit ni sote. Kumlona nai horana Earth con light kai mi ha zu kagan zu lo cho to 8 minutes any time. Light takes 8 minutes to reach the surface of the Earth from the Sun. 41. Which of the following statements regarding formation of stars are correct? New stars are formed from dense black hole. All star. Star thai kai rak tum gan ka supernova explosion. Okay. Hey star thai kai ma gan black hole ho siam tong de. This is wrong. Stars are formed inside relatively dense concentration of interstellar gas. Thus, I thought I had nebular tong hypothesis ko to siya ni. Lump of gas, lump of gas particles network chung ka. Hay rồi là nebula. Nebula means kachung nebular cloud and dust ni noi dap to lump of gas that surrounds you ni. Hai ta star na ni kaya the. So this is correct. The one lon, 2 and 3 is correct. The interstellar medium is typically composed of roughly 70% hydrogen by mass. Interstellar medium composed of roughly remaining rona buina helium. Hydrogen the helium gai tun noi. Hydrogen plus hydrogen helium. Hay tong fusion reaction to him. Nai ni nói nuclear fusion come to energy nói tong. Come star ni wa hay tong energy ya burnout surak nuclear fusion tong energy ta exhaust surak to it ta black hole go ban hai. Dying star a black hole. Black hole ra to we cho to ho gravity gai hak ban ni. Light also cannot pass through he light cable up to it he escapes them okay because it is bound by this black hole ni katong gravity katrana do padanga makana. There's something about black hole. Why Mars is much colder than the Earth, further from the sun. I need to manu de my very efficient mother hai Earth hai Mars hai come to sun we naam hai further from the sun. Yes, correct. Strong greenhouse effect. No, greenhouse or mega. Absence of magnetosphere. Is it something to do with many? Greenhouse effect ho. No, ye tata ho lum ni mi thau de. So even greenhouse effect ni noi ni mang ni thau ki Venus ho noi de. Nai dang ho Mars Mercury no de. Ki Mercury hong xuống tell hay Venus rồi là chang de temperature in terms of temperature Venus rồi gai de cũng tính cho tôi a cloud of we cho nói na atmosphere nói na very thick atmosphere ni atmosphere nói bằng thế hay cũng là na greenhouse effect tụm ho khai thế nãy riu cái bằng thế hay tăng han ku dam ita long wave radiation ta traps na lao tong ni atmosphere ka ta kum ta na hay rona heat up so tong de greenhouse effect on to reflected surface na heat so tong de to mi thoi lo not the incoming ta da ko mi tong outcoming to na new ta heat ti su bam tong de thoi lo kum la na absence of magnetosphere ni okay kum tho ho solar wind kai ne tu solar wind kai ra tum gan ko recombination magnetic heat transfer across its surface. Poor insulation against the bombardment of solar wind. Okay. Hai tong the explanation ta jaw tong explanation hai sunspot ka trana pa kan to hai solar flare ni solar energy release pa hai te atmosphere magnetic ho ko mak se ni earth ko ho magnet ko manoi to magnetic field noi hay là interact surat tum kan ko hay rồi na tell surface the tina warm up so when ni so but in the case of Mars I hope solar flare kai rak tum kan ko insulate sum kana ni so no atmosphere at all. That's why the chance of hitting the surface is very less. I hope bombard so in any the art nung case ho and then In the process, it release heat energy. I'm sorry, scientific so how can unnecessarily. Second, the eliminate so can answer parade. So there are some questions which you don't have to know all the options. Let's go. Especially if you are preparing for UPSC. Overview knowledge fundamentals of planet formation. Planets are formed around a new star. Nebula, cloud of dust, a lump of gas that surrounds the star. The planets are believed to have formed from the same spinning dust that form the sun. Number 3, the most abundant elements in the star are hydrogen and helium. Facts. Let's go. Venus is known as Earth's twin. Temperature temperature determines 1 to 3 Earth's twin. Earth na Venus comparatively new studies temperature 22 degrees Kelvin. Wait 22 degrees Celsius I don't know, figure 480 here no so temperature does not play a role. Confused size, mass and density the determines to be called as Earth's twin Venus. Growing crops on the moon is difficult because of which of the following? Small lunar night. Crops to be called energy derives so sun energy derives photosynthesis process raw material sunlight photosynthesis the small lunar night long lunar night difficult to small lunar night it should not be difficult because daytime sun energy that's not the case. So 14 days so one night lunar night, something like that. So it's a long lunar night. So wrong 2 3 4 inorganic nutrients and nitrogen poor nitrogen okay, this should not support the crops. This is also correct. Difficult exposure to solar flares, lacks of insects. Pollination process butterfly if you go to the moon. Let's do the next. Decreasing order according to their density. Density very efficient mother just serve us not density rail density to most high cũng số là dense càng nói như thế nếu mình sai sẽ nói là dễ rồi hào càng cho ta cái tuần ta làm cho ta gì còn sẽ khó bội nổi nó cũng to ngắn rồi nổi thuần mới thế hay Jovian planet bằng cộng này less dense hay họ càng bằng thế so this is terrestrial planet hay bằng có sẽ Earth tung density gai and rarely hay bằng ra chút số Jupiter hay Saturn mình hay tu rộng có 4 nói nhưng ta hay lộn hay rarely Earth đây 1 Earth is the densest okay hay chụm rồi this is fact Earth tung density thôi 5.5 gram per centimeter cube cũng tôi hay là số một cái bộ năng có giấy mổ của bạn hay 5.5 gram hay centimeter cube hay dù đầu từ lúc tận yang hay câu luôn nói mình dù đầu năng đạt thì 5.5 gram bạc này Earth có And to give some additional information, Saturn dong density ho reo liang hai ta. Reo liang hai 0.7. That means 0.7 ho 1 san tang less than 1. Boy, me pang ho the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, oh no, not Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The rest has greater than 1 density ta. Greater than 1 gram per centimeter cube. Saturn ho reo liang kum tuna we can think like that. Saturn hai ta dui pui taman khawa Saturn da phoi kai ti ho phong ba ni ti ta will float. Density reo na ni. Density reo hai phong hai tum da thoi ho. Ani sai pum ma dui kha pe kai ti ho lim ba ni de kum na density kai na kin tai hui hab lo ti ho tai dui ho ta dead sea ni ta ni phong ba ne kum na to et tho ho ni tung density is less than the density of the sea water. So that's something about density. Saturn density is very less, so it will float in a mighty ocean. Next one, meteorite crater. Meteorite to meteors asteroid belt rapatung hai to hai sam kai hai earth atmosphere tau hai zone hai ban hai shooting star to ni keo the meteor the kandi kai tang me kan ka kai na hole dong an ra kai na thong lo hai to hai kandi bong hai tong crater ta meteorite crater to so kai tang han meteorite. The circular depression created on the surface after the meteorite impact is called meteorite crater hai zum hai. The most conspicuous meteorite craters can be found on the surface of the moon. And okay, I need zoom there. Dhala crater is the largest crater. Dhala crater, India ka doi liang mai south kum ne world ka rang le. World ka doi liang mai crater ho crater I mean crater to we kho to USA ka noi to ne. Nan thok na diang ga lo to hai ron ni. Meteorite ron. 1,300 meter deep de kilometer khadau hian ani ka khut siam law to na meteor crater. So this is the world's largest crater, meteorite crater. This is in USA, Arizona ka no ita kon hai. It's a really tremendous form of energy has been released during the strike. Come the dinosaurs can extinct so that's the gravity that we're talking about, the gravity of destruction ni. Okay, hay come the lake next siam dan zu hay ka khut noi the depression noi kan to ho sea water ni come lake ni noi ne India ka to we bang so loner lake to mini noi the meteor to strike ni. Okay, that's something about the meteorite crater. Next question. Black hole. No matter and light can escape the black hole. I saw them happen. Small black holes are called stellar mass black holes. Okay, this is also correct. Factual sumai. Okay, I saw them. Small black hole tum ho. Small so me plade. 10 to 20 times from ho died and night and so on. 20 times of the sun. Okay, die me black hole ho, massive black hole ho. Million and billion of times out of black hole die there million and billions of times the size of this sun. See, massive black hole. Small hole 10 to 20 times the stellar mass black hole ni kya sun to me is rain meram doi the solar system ko planet the sun no to hey hay pang som sin I doi ta tum he te 99% của mình tung size rồi doi hiền de na te planet ko we na accredited su la rap to crew rap tum gan ko 1% của mình na si nai ta khan sin I complete chung am ga na 99 to ho hay planet ko ta lau ka duai la na sun ko fit in so ho to 99 dao ni ka gi noi na 99 of this particle of this massive thing. Okay, I think you understand. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Factual sum, I think I skipped that part. comment hay zoom đấy hay series or dual planet này kéo ấy, it's the largest asteroid Europa natural satellite đấy of Jupiter này chúng ta hay alone. So this should be the answer. Mercury is the hottest and the closest planet to the sun. Okay, closest on zoom hay kì, but I've told you Mercury hình xuống Venus rồi là su đấy là sao. Mars is the only planet other than Earth that has polarized caps. Okay, ice cap nói ta Mars cái này ní, ta lung nụ rồi trong condition nói đấy là Mars thôi. The poles of Uranus lie in plane where equators of the plane. Okay, I get to see one away, but let me tell you, Earth rồi cái tuồng axis hay cũng mà nói một cái gì straight, còn nói một cái cũng tiêu số mọi tuổi. Bây giờ cũng có pin tàu tông hay lông khởi nè, biển cái mọi nó có pin nó tông đấy tông này. But the Uranus nè, cái mình tông đấy hay po cái tuồng suppose imaginary line draw so hay straight thôi sum cái incline sum nè, incline sum kiểu cái nó sẽ chơi tông hay 23 degree cũng hay almost 90 degree. Cũng từ nãy giờ cái pin theo rập tung gan các bạn luồng tao vẫn có mà hậu này đấy slide rolling ground cơ nè tao nếu tụi bây giờ game blur rồi ta okay anything rolling is similar with Uranus tung motion từ lên chấm cũng là equator hay equator đáng hay tung cái tung axis rồi nói ta cũng là cái lùng theo anh ấy tôi luồng tao không có mà hậu thế. That's a fact about Uranus. Boy mà có một cái Earth tung axis so 23 degree. News nói hay UPSC tung question tôi cũng thế. Event horizon singularity string theory hay nothing to do with this. Confused tao hết nữa cái singularity này universe này horizon. String theory, very advanced physics, observation and understanding of the universe. So something you don't have to learn it very deeply, just the interface of it you know. Okay, Goldilocks zone I explain cho tang. Goldilocks zone có star nói bane. Star đang có nói mình bằng này. Habitable so nim tong temperature is neither too cold nor too hot. Chang lang ấy to dui exist sun trom cái evaporate sungam kan den. Chu lang ấy to ni good tong stay kro na bang kan so no habitable. Habitable tum ta thoi lao lo tho. It is range orbitals from a star at which liquid water can exist. Come the temperature is neither too hot nor too cold. Correct? The location of Goldilocks zone around a star depends on the size and temperature of the star. Size ai tong star ni doi lang đó cái này tôi hay từ tìm của đó cái này đấy. Cũng là size the temperature cái này. Star này chang lang ấy tôi temperature là cái mình so. Size là doi cái này temperature ni doi mình hay tụi mình thôi. Star cũng thế nào. The best example of our Goldilocks zone is the solar system and solar system này. Goldilocks zone. Okay, this is ball 1 and 2. Solar system khana Sydney Jupiter cái này họ nụ mà đủ đó lằng đấy. Cũng là distance ni matters rồi đấy nè. Distance. Na Mars cũng mà Earth là nè. Habitable hay Goldilocks zone thì là cái nào hay solar system có nói mà. Mercury họ know đó lằng cũng là its temperature is too hot so water cannot exist. Goldilocks zone once again. New support out and it's very important for UPSC. Asteroid Psyche is orbiting the sun between asteroid thought forget about this Psyche or Psycho. You don't have to bog down with the fact. So you just know that it exists between Mars and Jupiter. Mars là Jupiter cái này cả cái nói asteroid thôi. Okay. Asteroid Psyche không phải tôi nói vào thôi. iron le nickel rich su so kum teo he ani harness sunu de na ni energy ya nickel le iron core na kum ta na ni hi hai study so to solar system at we thia khro wong tum suni teo earth ka ni tum constituent to we tum study su kai no na kum na nasa tum space kum ga ta space x cam tum space mission ani thau ku me gan ko they come across this psyche asteroid rap goi na energy kha de ni depends on hai iron ko ni right energy and minerals so ni who knows diamond ko me psyche ko nói to everybody will be heading towards this psyche asteroid ni so it's like that the avatar ni ho na se energy law hung space ko ta tong la planet kha kha ni something like that asteroid kha ni asteroid psyche is very rich in mineral nickel and iron especially in the core ni not correct about planet Venus. Venus so thick atmosphere don't have the greenhouse gas. No, greenhouse gas not there. Greenhouse gas not na chang maning so. Mercury so na khadena. Venus is in the closest planet. Yeah, this is obvious. It spins opposite. Hai thoi tang. Venus le Uranus spin opposite to Earth. Earth direction how west to east there. Venus le Uranus so east to west. It has mountains and volcanoes. Answer here. Volcanoes come earthquakes which are the following planet lies in the sun's Goldilocks zone? I thought I saw Earth Mars Venus Venus no habitable supply Venus 1 3 okay the Venus ni habitable host ki tui jang khra cho to ka tuang greenhouse gas gailang na ni that makes the planet very warm temperature gailang na bam nu tram ga ki Goldilocks zone ho temperature it should neither be too hot nor okay no confusion the Goldilocks zone refers to where the temperature is just right ni to option ko we phrak to to na cha option 1 like 3 Jupiter hon right ram khan dulan it's a very cold icy planet there 1 2 3 2 and 3 you know 2 lagan 1 3 4 pa Venus ni okay so the Goldilocks zone so bam the we are coming to an end. Please bear with me. Ceres is said to have salty water underground. Have fact there. Ceres is the largest celestial object in the asteroid. Asteroid belt largest asteroid to nani kya no hai. Between Mars and Jupiter to ni come on. Jupiter nai ka kham okay kom to na 1 na den chum 67 okay hypervelocity meteorite crater in basaltic anywhere lunar lake I mentioned already. Last question for the day. The final question. It makes Saturn's atmosphere hot. Aurora, sometimes referred as polar lights. Forget about Saturn, you know. Kandi hai katuang magnetism kum nói tu magnet kalong ka embed lawang kum tu ne kuma earth sun korana solar flares ti papan the hai le na interact sum gang ko hai tung charge particle le na earth tung hay radio waves di pam tong interact sum gang ka, we see a very beautiful light in the sky, northern hemisphere, beyond Arctic Circle, the Antarctic Circle khani ze magang ko, you see a very beautiful light. Hay pang thì polar lights to na kya chi kru hang ba mera aurora borealis to na kya south pe hang mera na aurora australis aurora australis interaction ne kum lo na Saturn atmosphere ni make Saturn atmosphere hot. Seriously, interacts with us who when and how because of this it makes us warm. Kuma hay ni chum de Saturn tong atmosphere kan len Saturn atmosphere kan di to be na gai bo charged particles no hai to hay ta le na solar winds the interaction ne electric currents ni triggered by interactions between solar winds solar winds and charged particles from Saturn's moon ni spark the aurora and hit the planet's upper atmosphere. The Saturn tani hit up so it way. Okay. In simple words, aurora to make it we so sun dong flares, sun dong solar energy kum ga to solar flares pang le na hay tong charged particle interaction gan ko, we see a very beautiful phenomena hay tong lights that beautiful light is called aurora to tong hai. Okay, man sai jan ni nói cho aurora to many, it means beautiful light ni so no. We'll discuss some other topic ni. Okay, thank you.